It greeted you at birth. It was there for your first step, your first mistake, when you lose, when you pick yourself up again. In every moment, you can feel it. Life.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzah Shafika binti Marsidi and I am from SMRR5. In this video, I'm going to share and explain about the right to life and liberty and also case regarding to these rights. First of all, according to the United Nations, human rights are right inherent to all human beings since they were born, regardless of race, sex, nationality, religion, and also other status, for example, ethnicity. So human rights includes right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, right to work and education, and many more. Everyone in this world is entitled to these rights without discrimination. This situation of human rights in Malaysia is controversial as there have been numerous allegations of human rights abuses in this country. The Federal Constitution of Malaysia provides for protection of basic human rights standards. For example, Article 5 that explains about the right to life and liberty of a person, including children. According to Article 5 of Federal Constitution, it mentioned about the right to life and liberty, stated that no person may be deprived of life of personal liberty except in accordance with law. A person who is unlawfully detained may be released by the High Court. The scope of right to life consists of 6 parts to sum up, which include protection from unlawful killing and murder, protection from death by negligence, right to livelihood, right to healthy and pollution-free environment, right to life for the unborn children, and also right to apply for pardon of death punishment. So the limit of this right is linked to the second part of the provision, which highlighted safe in accordance with law, and the death penalty under Penal Code, and also separate act for Parliament, and also limited under Internal Security Act, which is ISA. So for the further understanding for this right, which is right to life and liberty, we can see in the case of Susanna Ma'aris versus DSP Haq Hussein, which the plaintiff husband, which is also the victim, died whilst in the police custody. The fact indicated that the victim has vomited blood whilst under detention but was denied proper medical care and attention. The plaintiff sued the defendants under the second scope of the right to life and liberty, which is the protection from death by negligence. The law of negligence plays an important role in the occupational safety, health, and environment management. The use of the law of negligence to the area of occupational safety, health, and environmental management is largely in reply to the necessity of each employee to protect his or her rights in the interest on the safety, health, and environment at the workplace. Therefore, the law of protection of negligence in relation to the occupational safety, health, and environmental management from Malaysian legal perspective will identify actions and cases which deal with the occupational safety, health, and environment, lastly as a means to protection employees on the safety, health, and environment at the workplace in Malaysia. Actually, it is not at the workplace, but also in all sides of perspective. So according to the Constitution, Parliament and the state legislature, they have the power to make laws within their respective jurisdiction. This power is not absolute nature. If a law made by Parliament or the state legislature violates any provision of the Constitution, the Supreme Court has the power to declare such a law invalid or ultra vires. So that's all from me. I hope this video will help you to understand more about the right to life and liberty under Article 5 of the Federal Constitution. Thank you.